Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cook red chili sauce. So let's get started. For this sauce, I am going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil and I'm going to heat it in the microwave for 1 minute. I have heated the oil in the microwave and now I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of red chili, and now I'm going to mix it really well so it's absorbed in the oil. You may use this sauce if you want your dishes to be hotter, or you may use in any dish. I have mixed it very well, so now it's ready. You may use a little dab in any dish. It will make the dishes hot. Here I am adding a dab in my homemade salsa. This was a request from one of our special viewers. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.